Hello guys, today we're going to be doing a Revolver only challenge. If I use any weapon, I can only use Revolver. If I use any other weapon, I failed. So let's start with a 2v2 because I literally just got Revolver. And yeah. Might as well do a 2v2 if I've literally just got it because I don't even know how to use it yet. Oh man. I might make a second video today. I don't know. Yeah, I might have time. Okay, TV2. Maybe Splash, not gonna lie. Okay. So, I don't care what I get there, but I need to go over there and I don't care about that. You get the point. I'm gonna use this. And we got a sniper person already. Okay. And where is the other guy? Where's the level 103? What are you doing? He ain't doing anything, is he? Oh, I see him now. And I got 2 little headshots on him. And his username looks like he just slapped his head into a keyboard. Or his username is his head slapped into a keyboard. Oh, you're humbled by daggers. Bro, I'm so bad with Revolver. Okay, I'm gonna go this way actually. This is hard. I didn't speak that because I was literally locked in. Oh my god. And where is he going? What? This guy's giving up, isn't he? What the hell are you doing? It's like his cat's playing. Bruh. It's like his cat was playing. What? I couldn't even use a revolver properly. Oh, this is gonna be hard. I think we do one more 2v2. So remember, Revolver only challenge. I don't know if I can use Satchel though. And he's already here. Oh my gosh. And oh my not, gosh. Guys, stop having a knife battle. It doesn't really matter. Quick, pull out your dagger. Bro, why are you both having a slide battle? This is not what I do with knife. If you want to see me do a video where I can only use knife, that will be probably the biggest mistake of your life, because I'm terrible at using knife. Revolver. Yo, I got my first limb with a revolver. Let's go. Cooked. And it's this guy again. Bro, stop doing your knife battles and pull out your daggers or something. Oh, headshotted. But why is it raining only on him? Bro, Revolver is so bad, man. I don't even know how to use it. Maybe I should stop blaming weapons for being bad when I don't even know how to use it. Yo, Broski got rid of his knife. That's mad. Right, I thought you would have another knifey battle. Is it me is it? Or did I think you would have another knifey battle? Oh my gosh. And they're coming back. Well, they're ganging up on us. Don't think Uzi's the best choice, personally. Oh my god. Right, I really want to use other weapons, but I can only use this piece of junk. Maybe it is actually good, but I just don't know how to use it. And yeah, I definitely cannot use it. Oh, I got it. But this is the first actual time he actually won a knifey battle. That's bad. I never thought that'd happen, and my gun through the wall. I'm going to their side. Headshot. Bro, this is so hard. What? How do people even use this gun? Oh my gosh. That was terrifying. I definitely cannot use this gun. Oh my gosh. It's literally just a revolver, man. Okay, I died in a Molotov. And he finally did a bit of a knifey battle and won. Come on, don't get killed by RPG, because everybody knows RPG just sucks. Yeah, I think that's it for today. If you want to see an episode where I try and use knife only, then you just like and subscribe, and I will do it. I'll probably do it soon anyway. But yeah, goodbye.